For centuries, humanity has looked up at the night sky and wondered, are we alone? Is there somewhere else, out there in the cosmos, where life, our life, could take root? Today, that question is more urgent than ever. With Earth facing mounting challenges, from climate change to dwindling resources, the red planet Mars shines like a beacon of possibility. Visionaries like Elon Musk and agencies like NASA promised that Mars could become our second home. But is this truly humanity's last hope for survival, or are we chasing a mirage, a dream destined to remain just out of reach? To answer this question, we must first understand what it would really take to make Mars a new Earth. Mars sits, on average, 140 million miles away from our home planet. Its days are similar in length to ours, and it boasts majestic landscapes, towering volcanoes, vast canyons, and polar ice caps. Yet beneath the surface, the challenges are daunting. The Martian atmosphere is less than 1% the density of Earth's, composed mostly of carbon dioxide, making it unbreathable for humans. Temperatures regularly plunge far below freezing, and radiation from the sun bombards the surface, unfiltered by a protective magnetic field. Despite these obstacles, the dream of colonization persists. SpaceX and other organizations are developing rockets capable of taking humans to Mars. Their vision: fleets of starships ferrying settlers, transforming the barren landscape into bustling habitats, and eventually, thriving cities. The technology is advancing rapidly, and the spirit of exploration is alive and well. But surviving on Mars is not just a question of getting there, it's about what happens after the landing. Astronauts will face immediate challenges. Every breath, every sip of water, every calorie of food must be carefully accounted for. Greenhouses must be built to grow crops, recycling systems installed to conserve precious resources, and habitats constructed to shield colonists from radiation and the punishing cold. Even the simple act of going outside will require protective suits and rigorous procedures. Physical and psychological hardships await any who make the journey. Then there are the long-term questions. Can we really terraform Mars, changing its atmosphere and climate to resemble Earth's? Or will the red planet remain forever hostile, a place where human life clings on only through constant effort and advanced technology? Some scientists are optimistic, pointing to future breakthroughs in synthetic biology, energy production, and robotics. Others caution that the dream may always be limited by the harsh realities of Mars itself. Yet perhaps the greatest challenge is not technological, but philosophical. Is Mars truly humanity's last hope? A lifeboat for civilization in case Earth becomes uninhabitable? Or are we better served by focusing our ingenuity and resources on fixing our problems here at home? The allure of Mars is undeniable. The chance to start anew, to push the boundaries of what's possible. But if we view Mars as a backup plan, we risk neglecting the stewardship of our own planet. The truth may lie somewhere in between. Mars tests our resolve, our creativity, and our unity as a species, whether it becomes our second home or remains an elusive frontier. The pursuit of Mars forces us to ask the hardest questions about who we are, where we're going, and what we're willing to risk for the future of humanity.